What's up everyone, Trent here at Precision Transmission again, and we are installing a cooler on our Arizona vehicle before it takes off. We wanted to make sure this thing stays cool. If y'all know anything about Arizona heat, this gentleman said it got up to 125 this last summer. He does have a nice aluminum radiator already installed in the vehicle, so that's awesome. And we're gonna hook him up with a nice Hayden Automotive 1404 transmission cooler. These things are really nice. Let me spin it around here. I did already open it. Come on. This is the hose that was in on top of it. It comes with hose to start off, and then it comes with that nice cooler. That's a free flow. You can see your tubes actually go through it, and then the fins are connected. So that's what we want. And we're gonna get, you probably can't see it, but there's what's called a pusher cooler. So the fluid actually has to push through these small fins, and they can actually stop up. So let me get this front piece off here. We've got our front clip and grill out. What we have here is like a pusher style cooler is what we call it. So you have one cooler line here that has to come here, push through these fins, and come out the other side to the cooler. Okay, so what happens though is this thing builds up with trash, and it's real easy because it's really thin, and it actually starts restricting cooler line flow and cause issues with a transmission, a new transmission, or the existing transmission you have in it. So if you have one of these on there, I suggest to take it off. You can leave them on there. They do, they can be good. But if you're not servicing your transmission, everything like that, they can stop up, which will cause transmission failure, overheating. So we go back over here to our free flow Hayden filter cooler, and it's got nice big tubes all the way through it with fins connecting. So a lot better unit, y'all gotta stay tuned. And just like that, we got a beautiful cooler all hooked up to our original lines. So we are cooling through our radiator still and our aftermarket cooler. So this is gonna help out tremendous on this guy's ride up in Arizona this next summer when it comes around to the 125 degree weather. But nice and mounted. Had to do some modifications to the metal frame, but looks really well. Turned out really nice. Transmission cooler installed and 100% done. We can see that bad boy over there, nice in the grill. So it's gonna get a direct wind plus the pull of the fan clutch from the motor, really nice. It's gonna probably operate 10 times better than that push through cooler versus this free flow cooler we just put on there. So if you guys need anything, I about fell off the lift, or our dyno,
we got Arizona
back on the road. Nice new unit. We've got a nice rebuilt transfer case, all brand new seals. We have checked everything under this thing, 100%, 360, up, down, around. We replaced the wire for our computer for our 96 to 99s. They're having the 2-3 upshift flare shift. What I mean by a flare shift, that means the RPM will rise before the shift engages. We do not want that. You want a nice, not firm, but nice shift with no RPM raise. You want it to drop, not raise. But these guys are getting back on the road today and be back home in no time. If y'all need anything, give us a holler at Precision Transmission. Y'all have a great day.